here's how to download code from Emergent AI. We're going to be using this virtual studio code method, which is if you're on the free plan, you should be able to do it. So let's get to it. On emergent.sh, you need to log into your account. After that, once you've made an app, you need to go inside it. If you do not see this, if you see a preview page like this, you need to close this preview page and then you're going to find code here. Press on it and then you're going to get this pop-up. In it, you're going to see link and password. So we're going to take this, copy it, the link, open a new tab and paste it here. Press on enter. And now you need to enter a password for it. You're going to find the password here. Just copy it, go over here and paste it. Simple. Now we're going to press on submit. And there you go. Now it's going to open up our Virtual Studio Code dashboard page where you would be able to see all the files that you've got over here in Explorer. What you would be able to do is right click any of these files and download them to your computer. But you can also zip all the files in a .zip format. For that, you can go over here on the left hand side, click on extensions, and here in search, you need to type in zipper. And it's going to show you this zipper extension. Press on it, and you should be able to install it from this button. Currently says uninstall, but it should say install over here or install a specific version. You can also do that. You can also auto update it from here. We just go back to Explorer. And all you need to do is press on the first file like this and press on left shift, the last file, we need to press it, which is going to select all the files in our App Explorer. Now, all you need to do next is right click and press on this compress. We are going to get this new field over here. We just need to press on compress and it's going to make an archive.zip file like this. It's going to have all the files in a .zip format. You just need to right click it and download it to your computer. Then it's going to ask us for the folder. So just go and select a folder like this, press on select folder, and it's going to start downloading our archive.zip file. And that's it, it's done. Now, as I go over to that folder, if you have downloaded this file, I will see this archive.zip. I can right click it, open it in WinRAR, or you can also just right click it and extract all over here. So I'm going to open it in WinRAR and I'm going to see all the files that were here in a .zip folder, and you can extract it to your computer. You can also take this file, go over to Netlify and drop it there in order to host it. Yeah, that's it. That's how to download code from Emergent AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Emergent AI related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.